Timer just went off. You want to see the pizza? Let me turn it around. Okay, so here is my pizza. I'm gonna pull it out of the oven so that you can see the cutting board. So that's where I'm gonna pop it. I am opening up the oven and I'm using my magic cudgel. And I am sneaking the pizza out. Look at that! Is that not gorgeous or what? Homemade pizza with Becky. This is a barbecued pizza topped with mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, feta cheese, some garlic powder, and some pineapple. Yum, yum. Okay, so now you have everything you need to make homemade pizza at home. If you do not have a pizza stone and you're interested in getting Pampered Chef pizza stones, let me know below. I am looking for a Pampered Chef someone so that I can connect you if that's something you need. Otherwise, you can just use a cookie sheet, and I will see you soon. Enjoy your pizza.